Welcome to my channel. You're here with Kika Kathy, and today we're gonna do the first set of the Boxycharm spoilers. September base box. I can't wait. I think next month I'm gonna have all the boxes. I'll probably resubscribe one of my accounts just so I can get the base box. Let's go ahead and watch.
Let's start with Huda. So I know that we have two items from Huda. I picked up this one. I know there's another type of item. I just don't remember which one it is, and I didn't want to pick up the wrong one. And this is an eyeshadow. It's just to put it on your eyes, but it's a pen. Let me see if I open it right. Anyway, this is the first one. Okay. There, I think, I don't know if I picked up the same one. There might be variation of those. So this is one. I know that there's another Huda item. I just don't remember which one it is.
Okay, so as you can see, a first product already made me excited. It's from the Huda Beauty. I've been wanting to buy this Huda Beauty. So basically, one side is with the matte liquid side, and then the other one is a metallic liquid side. But I've been seeing so many influencers that's been using this, and they all loved it. I mean, I have something like that, but it's from Makeup Revolution. Come on, this girl is drugstore girl. So once I get that, I'm hoping to see if the one in Makeup Revolution is actually a dupe. Alright, the next product is
Palette by Hipdot. Okay, this is what it says on the back, and now I am going to open up the eyeshadow palette. This is how it's going to look like.
Oh my goodness! That palette, man, from hipdot. I haven't, got any palettes from hipdot. I was actually thinking of getting that SpongeBob because I saw the, the colorful eyeshadows. But not too excited about this one because it looks like a neutral eyeshadow palette for me. I've seen like reviews, not for this one, but the other palettes that they have. I've seen the reviews and they all liked it. Pretty excited to actually get one of these eyeshadow palettes. Oh yes, I said one of these because the next one is another palette.
And we have another eyeshadow palette. Now there'll be other palettes as well, but I think the variation I'm showing you, it's kind of like majority, almost everyone's going to get it. If not all, so don't quote me on it. Here's another eyeshadow palette by Lamar. Okay. You all remember Gabby, her beautiful brand Alamar, which is her place of birth in Cuba. It's the town where she was born, and she has a new palette, and this is the new eyeshadow palette. This is how it's gonna look like. Okay. Again, I promise you swatches in another day, maybe tomorrow. Someone else in the team is gonna do a much better job than Joe. Hopefully, delighting to justice, because it is beautiful. This is all base box, okay?
Well, it's going to be a new release eyeshadow palette, and we're already getting it. It's from the Alamar. Amazing. I can't believe there's like two palettes that will be in the base box. Of course, most likely it will be variety. See, the one from Alamar is going to be, it's a little more colorful than the one from hipdot. But either way, out of all these three, the one I'm really excited about is the one from Huda Beauty. Who's excited like me? Hopefully there's more sets to come in the next few days, and I will just throw it out there. Hopefully I have a Boxycharm spoilers for you every week. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this made you excited as me, and I'll see you again on my next spoilers. Bye!